In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade on the Vantage app. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the bottom left and tap on where it says Home. And then over here at the top, you can see My Equity, and then the P&L, and then below this, it says Promo, and then Copy Trading. So you simply want to tap on the copy trading. There we go. When you tap on that, it's going to actually take you into a separate tab here where basically you can see up top it says copy trading, and then you can see highest annual returns, low risk and stable return, high win rate. Of course, it's completely up to you whichever you choose over here. I'm not going to advise you on that because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to actually get this set and working. So here we're just going to select a random one for my demo account, and I'm going to tap on it. There we go, and as you can see basically the overview and then the portfolio of that specific copy trading, and you can then go ahead and decide if you want to do it, and if you want to do it, at the bottom it's going to say copy, you want to tap on copy, and then it's going to tell you that you have to open or switch to a copy trading account to proceed, so just tap on OK. And it's going to take you to a page where basically you have to get verified for a copy trading account. And whenever you get that verified and whenever you get your copy trading account ready, you'll be able to, of course, just go ahead and start with your copy trading that way. So that's basically how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.